Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2025 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you what are the lifting or jacking points. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first I'm at the left rear side of the vehicle and I will lie under it. And if you look down here, you will see this like cut-off area and this thin rail. Now this is where you're supposed to leave the vehicle. This is the reinforced area, so between here and here. And the same thing will be on the passenger rear side. Okay, now I'm at the front left side, the driver's side. And also if you look under the vehicle, see there's even like a pointer here, a small triangle, arrow, and this is where you're supposed to leave the vehicle. Same thing, you see there's like reinforced area right here. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.